Basic probability understanding chance. This presentation introduces the fundamental of probability. We will explore how probability quantify your uncertainty. It serves as a better foundation for further trials. Understanding probability helps in making informed decisions. What is probability? Zero impossible event, one certain event, and 1 per 6 probability of rolling a 3. Probability measures the likelihood of an event. It is a number between 0 and 1. The formula is variable outcomes divided by total outcomes. For example, rolling a 3 on a die is 1 per 6. Key terms and concepts. Experiments, a process with uncertain outcome, for example flipping a coin. Outcome, a single result of an experiment, for example heads. And sample space, or S, all possible outcomes for a coin, as some is head or tail. Even, or E, a specific set of outcome, for example E is head. Understanding time terms is crucial. They form the language of probability. A standard deck of 52 cards offer a good example. Types of probability. Theoretical probability, based on reasoning and no possibilities. For example, the probability of drawing an H from a 52 card decks is 4 per 52, or 1 per 30. 13. Empirical probability, based on observed French quest for repeated trial. If a coin lands of head 48 times in 100 flips, the empirical probability is 0.48. Of the law of large numbers test empirical probability approaches the oriental probability with more trials. Basic and rules. Addition rules. 1. Mutually exclusive events. Events that cannot or simulated P, A or B is P, A plus P, B. Example, rolling A1 or A6 on a die is 1 per 6 plus 1 per 6 some, uh, is 1 per 3. And number 2, non-mutually exclusive events. Events that can happen and at the same times. P, A, or B is P, A plus P, B. P, A and P, A and B. Example, drawing a head or a king. 13 per 52 plus 4 per 52 means 1 per 52 is 4 per 13. The additional rules help calculate probabilities of one event or another. It depends on whether events can overlap. Basic rules: multiplication rules A and B. Independent event outcome of one does not affect the other. P and AB is PAX. PB example flip to a hit is 1 per 2 and 1 per 2 is 1 per 4. Different event outcome of the first affects the second. P and AB is PA x PBA. Example drawing a king 10, a queen without replacement. The multiplication rules have find the probability of two events occurring together is Distinguish between independent and dependent scenarios. Real world application. Weather forecasting. 17% chance of rain. Whites daily plans. Gambling or lotteries. Odds like 1 in 302 and 6 million for Mega Millions. Medical diagnosis. Probability of descent give the test result. Quality control, assessing defect rates in manufacturing process. Probability impact, many aspects of daily life and industry, from weather to insecure in health managed risks. Conclusion: the power of probability, quantifies uncertainty, provides a framework for understanding change, and informed decision empowers data different choice. SNTM's tool used across many fields from science to sport, and future growth open door to, to advanced analysis. Probability is fundamental to statistics and data science. Mastering is it is key to predictive modeling and navigating a complex world.